If you enjoy my videos, like, comment, and consider subscribing so you never miss a new video. Hi everyone, welcome back to Crochet Bits and Knits. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make this beautiful crab stitch border. Now this is my absolute favorite border to put on blankets, scarves, decorative dish towels, anything you can think of. This border I feel like is just perfect. It's really simple but looks really pretty. So I've worked up this sample swatch. This is just half double crochets in the back loop, so it has a bit of a texture to it. So we'll add our crab stitch border in the white yarn, and I'm just going to insert my hook into this corner here and attach my white yarn. And I'll just pull up a loop there and tighten this to secure. So for the crab stitch border, it's going to be single crochets, but instead of working from right to left, we're going to be working from left to right. So very simply, you're just going to insert your hook going back this direction, pull up a loop, yarn over, and pull through both loops. So just a single crochet, but again, we're going to be working in the opposite direction. So we're going to go back into this stitch, pull up a loop, and pull through both loops. Insert your hook into the next stitch, pull up a loop, yarn over, and pull through both loops. Here's our next stitch. So this is a really easy border, perfect for beginners. Again, very simple, yet very beautiful. So again, we're just going to keep working down in this opposite direction than what we usually go. Here's our next stitch. Here we go is our next stitch. So it takes just a little bit of getting used to, but once you've got it, it is super easy. We'll just do a few more here. Here's our next stitch. And we'll work right into this corner here. Okay, and here we go. This is the crab stitch border. So I'm going to finish on up, just continue all the way around working in this way, and I'll meet you at the end. Alright, so I've left just a few stitches left, and when you are on the sides of your project, it's a little bit harder to see where you're going into next rather than when you're working the top and bottom. Those stitches are already there for you to go into, so you're just going to kind of go into whatever hole is available, making sure that you're not making the stitches too close together or too far apart, but you're just kind of working in wherever you can. So the sides can be a little bit trickier. Tie off. Alright, so here we would just weave in the ends, making sure that it's down this way. And we have our beautiful crab stitch. Again, if you enjoy my videos, don't forget to like and comment and consider subscribing so you never miss a new video.